Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the type assertions in the TypeScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Type assertions. Runtime support comes with the typecasting, whereas type assertion has no effect on the runtime. So basically, when we do the typecasting, it comes up with the runtime support, whereas the type assertion has no effect on the runtime. This is the major point you can say. Okay, type assertions are purely a compile time construct. Okay, so type assertions are basically compile time construct, a way for you to provide hints to the compiler on how you want to code to be analyzed. So you're basically telling the compiler how you want your code to be analyzed. Type assertions tells the compiler about the type of a variable. Basically, when you try to define the type assertion, tell the compiler about the type of the variable. So you're basically defining the type of that variable. So I will go through the example, you get to know about very much clear. Type assertion is similar to the typecasting, but the major difference is, but it does not reconstruct the code or does any special checks. Okay, so type assertion is used to tell the compiler that we want to treat any as a number or a string. We must be sure while using the type assertion as it is disable the type checking. So it it is required that when you defining the type assertion, so we must show that while using the type assertion it disables the type checking. So main thing is that it disables the type checking, so the program may not run correctly if we are not confident enough. Type assertions use the as keyword or the angle brackets, the same syntax that we are using in the type casting. Okay, in TypeScript, the type assertions, also known as typecasting, allow you to explicitly tell the compiler about the type of the value, even when the compiler might not be able to infer it automatically. Type assertions are essential a way to instruct the compiler to treat a value as a specified type. So basically, when we define, so basically we are instructing the compiler to treat value as a specific type. Okay, but they don't actually change the runtime representation of the value. So let's see the example, it can clarify more on that. So here we have the code which is of the any type. So I don't know the type of that one, so which is basically we have defined the code of the type any. So you start with the variable code of the type any, which means the TypeScript does not know the specified type of the code. Okay, so it could be anything. Then you use the type assertion to tell the TypeScript that you believe code should be treated as a number. So you here let the employee code number code. So then you use the type assertion to tell the TypeScript that you believe the code should be treated as a number. So here you are defining that the code should be a number. Okay, the number code and the code as a number both are equivalent. Okay, so number code here, the number code as number should be treated as a both are equivalent. After the type assertion, so after the type assertion, okay, TypeScript treats the employee code as a number. After doing this one, so the employee code become a number. When you check the type using the type of, when you are trying to just console this one now type of number employee code, so the TypeScript correctly infers it as a number, and that's why the output is to be a number. Okay, so while assigning the code to the employee code, okay, so while assigning the code to the employee code, we have asserted the code is of the type number. So here we are defining the code should be number. In this case we are certain about it because we are sure that this is to be a number. Now the type of the employee code should be a number. So the let's go to the base other syntax. So type assertion using the using syntax. So here you can see that here we define the any with the hello TypeScript. Then we are define tell the TypeScript that this should be a number, so we are calculating as the length of that string. Okay, so the output would be like this. Then we are using the angle bracket syntax. So here again we are defining the value any, and here we are defining the number. Type assertion for the objects. So here we have the interface of that person, right? And here we are person object with any, so name and the age. So here you can see we are just using that syntax and console the type person dot name and the type person dot age. So this is how the type assertion work. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.